Are you new to this place?
Yeah,
What is your name?
Vinith.
From where?
I'm coming from a far place.
How many people are there at home?
Dad, mom, everyone is there.
You have not been separated from your mom, is it? Don't worry. You have come to the right place at the right time. Even I am a mother. I take care all of them who come here.
Please, have this.
1 minute, Vinu. Keep this safely, okay? When you return to your place, give this to your mom.
Okay. Brother,
What happened?
brother, I came here to meet Prakash. Could you help me with his keys?
That's what. I was scared, man. Yeah, that's serial Prakash, right?
Exactly.
Because there are 3-4 Prakash here. That's why I asked you. Sometime when I listen some names in the world, there is no other name it seems. Prakash, Simbu, Babu, Ganesh, like this.
Okay, what's your name?
Suresh.
Suresh. It's a fresh name.
My
Super.
father and mother kept my name. You were supposed to be here morning, right?
I missed the train, so I came by bus.
Because you was getting late. That's why I thought you will not come here. Only you came alone?
No, others are on their way. They will come soon.
Oh, I am very happy. Let's go. See, this is your flat. 13D. It's a lucky flat for you. Step in with the right leg. It will be auspicious. It was closed for so many days, right? That's why.
Oh.
You go inside. Then, it's not cleaned yet right now. Prakash suddenly told me like this. I have appointed a person for this. She will come and clean all the things.
Okay.
Who cleaned this? I think she must have come when I was sleeping.
Oh.
Okay, you just go take and rest. Okay? I will meet you in evening.
Yeah.
Hey buddy!
Hey dude! Hey Prakash, you have put lot of weight, man.
If the location change means even ant can be changed as elephant. And meet our assistant director of our serial. By the way, what's your name?
Sakir.
Sakir. This is my friend Vinu. Okay? Then tell me, how was your journey?
It's good. Frankly speaking, when you called me on that day, I thought it'll be a very good setup. But it's too heavy, right?
Yes, it is.
Is that a serial?
You just ask him, no?
The producer have lot of money. He want to make a film like Bahubali.
Whatever it may be. Finally, the producer should not come to the road, okay? Then, how was the new flat?
It's awesome, buddy.
It was closed some days, but it is clean, right? Hey man, manager is my person. Or else you won't get it. Did you have something?
No, dude.
Okay, then go.
Who kept this here? He's going to take a serial in Bahubali pattern. I will also get awards in the future. Hello?
Hey, get ready by 11 o'clock. We have to meet the producer. Catch some cab and come.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey Satish, tell me.
Hey, where are you?
I'm in Tirunelveli now. I came for a serial work.
Are you in the location?
No, dude. It's yet to start.
I am here in a short film work.
See, my lap has got formatted. Because of that, all the files got deleted. You got the audio of water coming out of tap?
No, I have to check.
Bro, if you got a mic, take a live one and send. Yeah, I'll WhatsApp the video.
Okay, Doc, you send me.
Remember, the water flow should be thin.
Tell me. Okay.
Oh, right. You don't even have the time to call up and ask whether I'm alive or dead, is it? You're so busy?
Who told to lift the gas cylinders? Can't you do the work which you can?
Then who will do all the work, tell me?
How's your pain now? Is it okay?
The leg pain is much better, but the pain in my hip has not decreased.
So your hip is injured. Shall I come and clear it?
Oh my god, you need not trouble yourself so much, okay? Tomorrow, we are going to visit the doctor. Mother has said so.
Our local doctor? No. Please don't go there. You go to some other hospital, okay?
Why? What will happen if I visit this doctor? Everybody has said that this doctor is a very lucky person.
Listen, he is not a lucky man. His behavior is also not good. Please don't go there, okay?
Okay, I will not go, okay?
Okay. In which place the pain is high?
Oh, get lost.
Hey, there is no more water? God. It's okay, I have got something.
Hello?
Hey, tell me.
Did you hear the sound which is sent to me?
What
I
happened?
played it and after some time I had a sound of a woman crying.
Crying sound of a girl? No chance for that. Suresh brother, what are you doing here?
I am chatting with my wife in WhatsApp. She is sending me the grocery list. It's her time. I have not yet received my salary. See, she is arguing
What?
with me. She thinks she is too smart.
No. It's a symbol of angriness.
Oh, let me give a kiss to her.
Okay. That's okay. Could you tell me who was there in the flat which I am there now?
Here,
Yes, here.
I came 2 years back here.
Oh.
Now you came here.
So there was no one before that?
The doctor in America has bought this house. Whenever he comes, he stays here only. I remember when he last time came here, there was a car accident and all of them were dead. Their elder daughter was in ICU for so many days. After 2 months, she was also dead. The flat was in her name, that's why it was unsold. So only it is given on a rental basis.
God. Okay, I'll meet you later.
Listen, it's a lucky flat, man. Oof. I think he might seen some creature.
What happened?
No, nothing. It's so hot here, that's what. Do you have any daughters?
No, I just have one son.
No, yesterday night I heard the crying sound of a girl. Did you cry?
Who, me? No, somebody must have been watching a serial, that's all.
Lot of chances for that also. Okay.
Okay, and I wanted to ask you something.
sister?
When you go out, will you not switch off the TV? It was so loud and it is such a nuisance. Please be careful, otherwise people will object, okay? Understand? Such a big nuisance. Mother?
Yeah, what is it?
Mother. What?
What happened to you, man? In the midnight, you are drawing with an empty hand.
Am I drawing? Don't tease me. I'll throw words on you. Much frustration.
I didn't think you are so coward. Remember one thing, a man should have full courage. But you are afraid of each and everything.
What?
From now, don't give such noises. Understand? Ooh, I was afraid of seeing myself. How courageous I am. Avoid all unnecessary things and go to bed, man.
Buddy, that's Stephen, right?
Looks like him, but that's not him.
Oh my god, it is him only. Who is the girl sitting behind him?
Don't bother about them. They are very bad guys. Thanks for your lift. And I will be here only. We can meet up, catch up, and
Sorry,
spend time.
I'm going to the US tomorrow.
Oh, what are you saying? If a girl like you settles in US, what will happen to me?
Oh, no idea. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, listen. Hey.
Is it okay for you if we give an answer?
Hi, friends. What happened? Why you are saying like this?
You didn't change your habits, isn't it?
Which habit? Hey, I was just waiting for auto. That girl came. She asked me, "You are a famous music director, right?" I said yes, of course. She said, "I definitely give you a lift."
Then?
Then I said okay, because I don't want to hurt anyone, right? Whether it may be a girl or someone else.
Hey, the chicken we ate, no? It's not digested properly and it is making sound.
Even myself suffering from acidity.
You started early morning making fun of me. What happened to him? He doesn't look normal.
Last 2 days he's not feeling well, not in the stomach, something else.
Tell me the name of the girl who dropped you.
If I tell the name, you will find in Facebook, huh? I will not tell
won't
you.
come up in your life, man.
Get lost. Hey, what's happened to him?
Hey, he's telling that there's a ghost in his house.
He's a lunatic man. Who believes all these things in these days?
That's what I said.
This is fully maddish thought, man.
Hey,
See,
do you
he
know
is
the
the only
seriousness
one who
behind
is
it?
telling
Hey,
all these
See, I'm
things.
coming here.
Kanna?
Even he's also saying the same.
Oh, sweet boy, sweet
Kanna,
boy.
where and all I'm searching you.
He's
Come,
a very
let's
sweet
go.
boy.
Come, we'll go.
Take care. Bye.
Oh my god, you should not talk like that. I told you, right?
If it is so,
Okay, let it be there. It is a foolishness.
Hey, come on, trust me. There is something, buddy.
Have you seen?
I haven't, but still I feel something is there.
you are thinking, no? That's only your thinking.
Correct. It is all just rumor, my dear friend. We have not seen yet a single ghost.
Don't tell like that. If it appeared means
Open the door, Sisi.
go
Hey,
inside.
don't push, man. Close the door, CC. See what I'm going to do with him tomorrow.
Then we will have a blast tomorrow.
We are reached to our heaven.
Wow, man, what a super house. It's really awesome, man. You are living in a heaven, man.
That's it. There is a proverb about it, isn't it?
Correct. This is what? For my friends, I have specially brought this drink for you. La 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 la.
Didn't expect, man. I really didn't expect, man. Oh, my body, I love you.
Leave me.
I know, man. You won't come with an empty hand.
What is this, man?
I won't give this. I won't give this to anyone.
Don't get emotional. Don't get emotional.
This story is regarding a dam.
Dam?
Yes, till now no serial has been made on such lines of story. One dam. You're right. One day, this dam is blasted. On that day, when the dam is blasted, people living around there are feeling the suffocation of the air choking over there.
Oh, I am getting suffocated.
Sir, super
Sir,
story,
tell
sir.
me,
Super
tell me,
story.
sir, how do you find the script, sir? Tell me, how is the script?
According to me, it is a very bad story. What
Yeah, I thought of telling this, but you said.
Can you make me as a hero? Hey, I'm investing the money. If I become the hero, what's
Look,
your
sir,
problem?
there is no problem, but who will buy the
There
film?
is a shit in the palace.
I want to know what's the problem
I'll
if
tell
I
you.
become
Please
a
sit down,
hero.
sir.
I'm investing. Put a small. Tell me what's the problem if I become the hero.
Please sit down, sir.
We'll change him. We'll change him, bro. I come now. We'll change him.
Man is very
angry.
Hey, look, man, if he becomes the hero, there will be no business for the movie.
Even I was...
He has gone to the bathroom. Do you think that he'll come back?
Hey, look, man, in this film industry, I was the first man to direct the film. How can he reject me?
Tell me if I become the hero, what's your problem? Tell me. I want to know that. Hey, heroine? Heroine? I'm producer. Going to become a hero. Hey girl, what's your name?
Who are you? Huh? Tell me, how you came here? Are you here to steal something? Huh? You are the main reason behind all these problems, right? God, I was thinking it was due to a spirit. Hey, talk to me. Come out.
What are you doing?
Oh my God.
My name is Stephen Raj. My dear friend Vinod,
Huh?
just
What?
1 minute. With whom you are talking?
That is, I was on a phone call, buddy.
Oh, then it's okay. You do one thing. You talk in this phone. I understand all the things, my dear friend.
What do you understand?
You are still in the party mood, right?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly the same.
That's why I say you don't drink. Do you understand?
That's okay, buddy.
you do
You
your
carry
job.
on with your work.
La 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 la. Hey, who closed this door?
Hey, come on, move.
Why are you blocking me, man? I have to change my dress. Move away.
No need to dress today, okay?
Even my innerwears are
No
there.
need to wear inners, okay?
See, man, you're really irritating me. I don't like anybody interrupting in my business.
I've thrown some medicine to kill the cockroaches inside. If you open the door, it will come outside, okay? If you want, use my inners, okay?
I don't think your inner
telling you
suits
right,
me.
go.
Why are you pushing me? You are behaving like that I am your enemy. Listen to one thing. Whichever property I use, I won't give it to anyone. So, from today, what are all the properties of yours belongs to me. So you should not ask anything back again. Huh? This is my last word. Keep it in your mind. Don't take more leniency.
Come on, will you trust me now? I'm really confused how she is living in this cupboard at present.
In this cupboard?
No dear, in this flat. It's because of her disturbances only. I thought some ghost is living in this flat. Really, she disturbed a lot, you know.
Anyway, we should appreciate her courage. Only men are living in this flat. See how she's hiding without getting sighted. Hey, did you ask her something?
No, she is not at all answering any of my questions.
I think she don't know English. Like this, last week in my uncle's house, a Bengali girl came to steal. My uncle caught her red-handed. But police arrested my uncle only.
Why?
My uncle gave a robbery complaint on her. But she gave a rape case on my uncle.
God.
Then what? Bro, she is also going to be like that. So we should handle this very patiently. We should not get caught. You do one thing. You know Hindi. You deliver 2 Hindi dialogues. I'll support you.
No, I don't know that much Hindi.
Bro, I'm with you. You start here.
Hey, ladki.
Very good, bro.
तुम हमारा कमरे में क्यों?
Oh.
हो.
क्या हमको दुम्त देता है?
तुम चुप रहो.
I'm not चुप रहो. She is चुप रहो.
हे चोर, तुम चोर, मैं बड़ा चोर.
बिरयानी चोर.
I know English.
Bro, she knows English. We can use a Hindi later on in some other occasion. Then why you didn't talk till now? You come out of that. Are you coming or should I call police?
I myself don't know who I am. I don't know how I came here, for how many days I'm here. I know nothing. I have not come here to bother anyone. I have no place to go. That's why I've come here.
Then you stay here.
Hey, no problem here. And she's lying now. She has to get out from here. Hey, come on, get out.
Go.
Come on.
Come. Hey, be careful. Hey, you fell down while pulling her down. Come on, get up.
I'm okay. First of all, she... Where is she?
Where's she gone? I think after hearing your Hindi...
No chance. She'll be here somewhere. She's a thief. Hey, where are you? Come outside.
What is this? She's trying to fool me. Hey, bro.
Not here also. Where she has gone? Where she would have gone?
We know. She has gone, yeah. Even I feel tired.
Why did you switch on the TV? Mother!
Please listen to what I have to say.
No.
Hey, you didn't get any other place to hide?
No, I was here first of all. You get out.
Please listen to what I'm saying.
I'm tired. Water. Bro. Water. Give me water. Water. Give me water. Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Buddy, give me some water.
Sit down. Please listen to what I'm saying.
Bro, she's really a ghost.
Hey, I already told you that something is here.
You shut your mouth. Because of you, I am suffering all this. God, why my end is in the hands of a ghost?
Buddy, if you die, that's not a problem. But just think about me. Recently, I got engaged. My paru will be a widow before the marriage itself. Then I will be an orphan. Do you know that?
Why, bro? Why she's not talking anything?
She might be thinking whose blood will be tastier at this time.
What's your blood group, bro? A or B?
B. What, dude?
She'll drink half of my blood.
Why?
My blood group is
My
A,
dear,
bro.
This ghost will drink all kind of blood.
I feel so bad. Please don't talk like this. I'm not that kind of person.
Not like that. Then which kind of person?
Bro,
Huh?
the ghost is crying. See, ghost, don't cry. Telling you now, don't cry.
Listen, my dear ghost, please don't cry.
See, I think she is a very innocent
Exactly,
ghost.
dude. Why? What happened for you?
I don't know anything. I've been thinking about this for a couple of days. But I don't know how I came here.
Okay, what is ghost name?
I don't even know that.
Before us, there was a doctor family who stayed here.
Is it?
1 minute, I'll be back.
I'll also come to help you. He left me alone and gone. Oh my god. This is all very important for my bro. He can't sleep without this. I take this also.
These things belongs to the doctor family. Everyone died in an accident. But after a long time only, his elder daughter died. My guess is that elder daughter will you... Huh?
Hello? I am in our guest house. You just keep the phone down. I got a very important work. You don't worry. We'll take a decision, okay? Shall we go? We'll go and come back.
We will be back soon, okay?
We'll take a decision, okay?
Bye.
Bro, what's
Oh my
happening
god, what's
here?
happening here?
One thing is true, man. Even though you are a fraud, your music is very class, buddy.
Hey, just go away. I am feeling alone without them, man. I think something had happened to them.
Why are you starting again, man? And one more thing, we need to buy everything which are all required for night.
Yeah, that's correct. Let me hide this one.
Hey, listen. We should not waste the liquor, man. If we waste that means even God will not forgive us. Ping! Huh? Hey, I told you no, switch off the TV.
You only said Gopi will off it. You only offed it. Bloody fool.
What I did? When? I
Oh,
don't
great.
think so.
Hello, yeah, Stephen here.
Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Hey, ticka ticka chaka chaka, beat it, haha. Taka taka chaka chaka chaka, beat it. Today I'm going to face you alone. We are lucky that both guys are not here. Just I'll go to kitchen and come back. You should be smart. Beat it, beat it. There is no side dishes.
Huh? God save me.
Ah, yeah, I forgot this. The one I've been styling crazy. The one I've been styling crazy. The one I've been styling. Where is it? Hey, Stephen! Stephen!
Hey, why are
Come
you
here.
shouting, man?
The bottle was here, is missing.
You only kept here. Why are you asking me?
That's why I'm asking you.
What? What, man? Where is it?
Hey, no, let me explain. I kept the bottle over here. After I went to kitchen,
Yeah.
opened the fridge,
Oh.
took glasses and water.
Really?
Then I kept here. Now bottle was
Yeah.
missing.
Have you shut the door or not?
Oh, that I forgot.
That Bengali must have been taken. Come on, let's go.
We have to break his head, man. That idiot.
Where is he?
Where is he?
Where is he?
He's not
Find
here.
him.
Even here.
Hey, Bengali, where have you gone, man? I have brought it for half a rate. Come on, man. Oh, all has gone. Oh, shit, man.
Is he really escaped?
I think he has escaped.
Oh my god.
Oh,
It's really a big
When
tragedy.
it has been in a half rate, I must have something doubt about him. I bought it for us, man. Why did he escape?
Hey man, see, bottle is there.
Hey, move. Hey. Who drank this bottle? It's fully empty, man. Oh my god.
Something written over there.
Huh?
Alcohol drinking is injurious to health.
Who has this written? Censor dialogues here right now. Not a single drop left in a bottle. Who drink this bottle? He should be never a good person in life.
Hey, look, cigarette over here.
Huh?
All the 10 cigarettes was crashed, man.
Oh, my cigarettes. Lungs is like a sponge.
All these things can do only by a cruel mind.
Bastard.
Huh?
My dear friend, I think something is repaired during the wiring of the flat.
Even I have some problem in my stomach also.
I am feeling sleepy, man.
Did you switch off the keyboard or not?
I have done.
Then who is playing it in this midnight?
Shut up, donkey.
Then do one thing. You go and switch off it. I will be here.
Hey, mental. Come, let's go. I think they have said correct only.
Is the spirits don't have any job rather than playing keyboard in this midnight? Come, we'll go and sleep.
He is a fearful man. It's listening. It's not fault. Hey, friend, what happened? Huh?
It's true, there is somebody is here. Ya Allah.
Hey, this is not your God. Go.
In case of emergency, we can pray any God. Not only that, Jesus is very kind. He will save all religions.
Don't tell the stories. You leave here.
You leave from here. Our beloved Jesus, please save us. Hey, see that candle is
What
also
is
not
it? It's very
working.
dark.
Bro,
Huh?
you told so many times that is something over here. Now I believe that. Really, there are some spirits. So we should not think about anything. Immediately we have to go from here. Come, we will move.
Hey guys, can't you listen? In this flat there is a spirit.
Yes, man. Ghost.
My dear ghost.
Ghost? My dear
My
ghost.
dear ghost.
This is the ghost who disturbed your sleep yesterday night.
Exactly.
Who? Is this girl?
This is what your problem is.
Oh, this is the girl who died with ulceration.
What?
Yes, man. We saw this type of disease in some movie, no?
Alzheimer's.
Yes, you are right. I think she is died because of that. That's why she couldn't remember anything.
That I don't know. But we promised her that we'll help her. But how?
I already told everything to mom. She is also going to meet an astrologer. Whatever he is saying, we have to do accordingly, buddies.
Okay, what you have decided, you just go. I will not come there. There is no need that I should help her. I have so many years to live.
There won't be any problem. Be courageous.
No, not at all. Don't try to convince me. I am leaving right now. Are you coming with me or
No.
not?
I can't leave a person who is in danger. It is my character. Not only that, a real human being will not leave a person who is in a dangerous condition. So just you go.
So,
So that I'm not coming. If you want to go, go, man.
if you are alive, we will meet
Hey,
definitely.
okay.
Stop.
Go, man. Helping the dead persons. Get lost, man. Lift is not working also.
Brother,
Uh-huh.
where are you going?
Oh, I have missed her.
Oh, you're not talking?
Sham is not there.
No.
Mm-hmm.
He likes you very much.
Oh, really?
Auntie?
Uh-huh.
Ah?
Uh, Such a beautiful face here. Who is this?
My brother daughter, Shenbaram.
Oh.
Yesterday only she
Oh.
came. She will be here only always.
I am also here
Auntie,
only.
Uncle is on the phone. Please come.
Yeah, go.
I got a call. Okay, brother. Somewhere you started, right?
No.
Okay.
I was just going my
okay.
home only.
We'll meet some other
Yeah.
time.
Oh, okay. La 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 la. Hey, cute boy. Humpty Dumpty. I am not scared. I have to parcel him first.
But still, he's angry only because of me.
Is he gone? See, within 2 days, he will surely come back. What, bro?
Yeah.
He is such a
He
person.
is always like this
Yeah.
only. See here, he has come.
What, man? You forgot the route.
I cannot leave you, my dear friends, in this danger situation. That's why I am. Now, whatever happens, I will be with you guys. Till I correct that girl, I think I should be here only.